If space is at a premium, there really are some smart, elegant ways that you can create this combination of dining, eating kitchen, and proper functional kitchen space. And I'm going to show you a few of those here. So there wasn't enough room for a separate formal dining room and then kind of family eating kitchen here, so we combined them, and by doing that we were able to do a giant kind of oversized harvest table, which is both fantastic for casually hanging out as a family, but great for big dinner parties as well. By using elements like a great hard oak table that's informal, the kids can play games on it, and if there's any little nicks and wear and tear, it's just adding character. Because we wanted this to be very comfortable and somewhere the family can hang out, play board games, read the morning paper, we decided to do a banquette. And we actually found a sofa style that we loved, the homeowners loved, and we had it custom built in the scale and shape for this space as a banquette. So it's quite elegant, but so comfortable, and the kids all kind of line up along the edge and do their homework, and it's just a great family space. So we wanted this to be durable, family-friendly, so the material choices really do reflect that. From the countertops, which is a great quartz composite. Quartz is a fantastic material. It's environmentally friendly because it's harvested from other stones, and it's non-porous, antimicrobial, stain-resistant. The beauty of it is you can do light, bright colors like this. It looks like marble. Marble stains terribly, so the maintenance is such an issue, but this has virtually no maintenance issues. And then to really soften the space and make it more natural and approachable, we did an engineered wood product. And a lot of people wonder if that's okay for a kitchen. It's fantastic for a kitchen. Not only is it far easier on your back underfoot when you're cooking, so if you cook a lot in the space, this is far better than a tile. And a product like this, which is actually an oiled top surface, is really easy to maintain. A quick oil if there's any marks and nicks, it looks like new. Because this kitchen is open to the dining space, it really needs to have a continuation, a continual feel from that, but be distinctly its own area as well. We kept it really fresh and bright and open, and that's very clean and speaks to the fact that it's a kitchen, but at the same time you want it to not be too utilitarian. So what we do is we leave a lot of open space, a great open space, not a lot of open cabinetry, adding a bit of glass. It's more display than function. And then having this island that's kind of a gathering space. You can certainly, get work done in this space, but it still feels warm and inviting off of the other areas. If space is at a premium like it was here, you truly can have it all. It's about determining all the functions that you want in the space and then being a bit creative in how you incorporate them like we did here.